Hi, this is Randall at IRSTaxFix.com. I told you I'd tell you about how to select a professional to help you with your tax problem, and that's what we're going to do right now. If you've already decided to call me, the number is 888-473-7778. There are three types of professionals who are in the business of helping people who have IRS problems. There's attorneys, there's accountants or certified public accountants that are licensed by the state. Of course, the attorneys are in bar associations for the county and the state. And there's enrolled agents who are authorized by the IRS. Many enrolled agents are former IRS agents. And then there are others who have studied the tax law and taken the IRS test, passed their background check, and are licensed as an enrolled agent. Now for me, I'm a retired certified public accountant in Texas, and I'm an enrolled agent, which means that I have practiced as a certified public accountant, and I currently practice as an enrolled agent. There's no difference in what one can do for the other. Even if you're an attorney, you have to have a special license to go to tax court. But going to tax court is a waste of time anyway. The IRS is going to win 90% of the time. It's really just a way to bring the IRS to the settlement table, see if they can make an offer that you'll settle for, and then the case never goes before a judge. However, selecting a professional, when you watch something on TV, for example, you see the big companies advertising on television, you're looking at a very slick production where they are paying roughly a third to the person who answers the phone. That's why they ask you for money right away. You'll hear, I need $3,000, what's your credit card number? I know we can get rid of this problem, before they even know the details of your problem. Now, if you want serious help, the guy on the other end of the line, or the woman on the other end of the line, if she or he is a professional, she's going to have what's called a CAF number, C-A-F number, which is a centralized authorization file number. If she cannot or he cannot give that to you right off the top of his head without looking it up, they're not the professional you want to be talking to. They're somebody on the phone, a secretary, or just a salesperson. Now, there's nothing wrong with having salespeople help you, but if you're charging $3,000 and a third of it is going to the person for closing the deal, getting the down payment from you, and a third of it is going to pay for the television ad that got you to call in the first place, there's not a lot of money left over to actually work on your case, is there? And you want your case worked on, and you want it worked on right away. Well, the big companies that advertise on TV, and there's a lot of them, they're going to bring your case in, it's going to go on the top of a stack. It's going to get worked when they get time, but they've already got your money. Don't you want to get the kind of service that you need? You have that sense of urgency. When you talk to somebody like me, who is a sole practitioner, I answer my own phone. You're going to get me, not a salesperson. You're not going to get a secretary. I have my phone with me everywhere that I go. I call the IRS in the mornings, and I do my other work in the afternoon. Getting rid of wage levies, bank levies, getting the heat off of you is my primary mission. So if you want to give me a call at 888-473-7778, I'll tell you what your options are. And you need to know your options. If you don't know your options, how are you going to make a decision? Even if you don't hire me, you need to know as much as you can about the possible solutions to your tax problem. You won't get that from a salesman, and you certainly won't get it from a secretary answering the phone to have an attorney call you back, who is, once they get your money, is the last time they'll ever be available to you. So call me, 888-473-7778, IRSTaxFix.com. Thanks.